Hello friends of our homestead. In our this week's video we like to show you how we solved the problem with the size 8 grinder plate we bought for our meat grinder. We looked a long time around and tried to find a size 8 grinder plate for our grinder with that small size holes. We need that grinder plate to make very fine sausage and very fine salami. But like most of the time, if you buy something, it doesn't fit. It was just a hair too big to fit in the tube of the meat grinder. But if I want to use it, I have no other choice than to find a solution to make it fit into the tube. The plate is made out of stainless steel. It's hard, and because of the size of it, I cannot grab it in the chuck from the lathe, and I cannot machine it down because of it's hard. So I have to find another solution to get that done. The only thing I can do, I can grind it down, but then it still have to be round that it fits into the tube of the meat grinder. I used that little 10mm Allen key head bolt that fits mostly in the center hole of the grinder plate. It was just a little too big for fitting into the center hole of the grinder plate, so I used the lathe to make it just a hair smaller. But there still have to be enough thread on the bolt that I can clamp the plate between the nut and the bolt head. So one cut was not enough. After 2 more cuts, the plate was fitting perfect on that bolt. So I took the plate, the bolt, a lock washer, and the nut, and with an Allen key wrench and a normal wrench I tightened it up. If you want to know what's up on our farm and what we do in our workshop, we post every Sunday a new video here on our YouTube channel. If you like our videos and what we do, hit just the button in the lower right corner to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave a thumb up for us. And I put it in a battery drum. And I used the band sander to grind it a little smaller. Only so much that it fits in the tube from the meat grinder. And maybe a little more that it comes out easy. So simple can it be if you have the right idea how to do it. I know that's just a short video. I'll try to make another one this week for you guys. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you like to support us a little, you can buy us a coffee. I put the link for you in the description down below. We see us next week. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel and hit the notification bell if you want to be up to date, and please leave a thumb up for us.